All right, guys, it's all set. Ended up getting a new one. This one trash. This one, wrong one, not good. This one right here. All right, guys, so stay tuned for the next video. Everything's running good. No lights on. Everything working. Everything running good, guys. Like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos.